Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? In the previous class, we learned how to find the area of polygons which cover complete or full unit squares on a grid. Today we'll see how to find the area of polygons which cover not only full squares but also half squares. So, how to find out the area of such figures? So, the first step is to consider the area of the full squares as 1 square centimeter. Then consider the area of a half square as half square centimeter or 1 by 2 square centimeter. Let's make it more clear with examples. Look at this figure given here. You can see this figure covers both full squares as well as half squares. So, find the area of the given figure. So, like we said before, what is the first step? First, you have to count the number of full squares. And you can see this picture in page number 148 of your textbook. You can count the squares from your textbook itself. So, counting the full squares first. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full squares are covered by this figure. So, the number of full squares is equal to 6. And each full square has an area of 1 square centimeter. So, that means area of 6 full squares is equal to 6 into 1 square centimeter, which is equal to 6 square centimeter. So, that is the area of the full squares. Now, let's consider the half squares. So, how many half squares are covered by this figure? See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 squares which are exactly covered in half by this figure. So, the number of half squares is equal to 10 and the area of 10 half squares is equal to 10 into half square centimeter, which is equal to 5 square centimeter. So, it means what? 2 half squares will make 1 full square. So, you can count 2 half squares as 1. So, the area of 10 half squares is equal to 5 square centimeter and we had an area of 6 full squares. So, what is the total area of this figure? So, the total area of this figure is equal to the area of 6 full squares plus the area of 10 half squares. That is equal to 6 square centimeter plus 5 square centimeter, which is equal to 11 square centimeter. So, the area of the given figure is 11 square centimeter. I hope this is clear to you. Now, we'll do one activity. All of you please turn to page number 149. You can see the exercise 10.3. You have to work out the first 3 questions of question number 1. Find the area of the following figures. And there is a hint. Each small square is of 1 square centimeter area. So, you do this as an activity now. First, you have to count the number of full squares, calculate the area, then count the number of half squares, calculate the area, then add the 2 area to get the total area of the figure. So, you please pause this video, complete these 3 questions and come back. Hope you are done with that exercise. Now, let's discuss each question one by one. So, the first figure we can see here. Now, let's count the number of full squares. So, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 full squares and hence the area of the full squares is equal to 4 square centimeter. The area of 1 square being 1 square centimeter. Now, let's count the number of half squares. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 half squares, which means the area of 8 half squares is equal to 8 into 1 by 2 square centimeter. And what is 8 into 1 by 2 or half of 8? That is equal to 4 square centimeter. Now, we can easily find out what is the total area of this figure. So, the total area will be equal to this area, which is the area of the full squares plus the area of the half squares. So, what is 4 square centimeter plus 4 square centimeter? It is equal to a total of 8 square centimeter. So, the area of the figure given here is equal to 8 square centimeter. Now, let's see the figure B. Now here, let's count the number of full squares first. So, the full squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are a total of 6 full squares which gives an area of 6 square centimeter. Now let's count the half squares. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 half squares, which means 4 half squares will give an area of, or will cover an area of 4 into 1 by 2 square centimeter, which is equal to 2 square centimeter. So what is the total area of this figure? It is 6 square centimeter plus this 2 square centimeter, which is equal to 8 square centimeter. Hope this is clear to you. Now let's see the third one, question C. Now let's count the number of full squares first. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 full squares which cover an area of 18 square centimeter. Now the number of half squares. So there are 1, 2. 2 half squares which cover an area of 2 into 1 by 2 square centimeter. And what is 2 into 1 by 2 or half of 2? It is equal to 1 square centimeter. So what is the total area? The total area is equal to this 18 square centimeter plus 1 square centimeter. And what is it? It is equal to a total area of 19 square centimeter. I hope you got all these answers correct. Now you have to go through this topic, finding the area of other polygons, in page number 148 of your textbook. Then you have to complete question 1D, 1E and 1F of exercise 10.2. You can complete these questions in your textbook itself. And below that, in the same page, page number 149, you can see a life skills question. Go through that question as well and do accordingly. So that's all for today, children. Hope this was clear to you. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.